Welcome to another episode of Green Thumb Family. Yes, it's Ricky Jones Jr. and I'm so happy to be with you all today. Today, I am actually going to my backyard. We bought this house from a previous owner that happened to be an avid plant lover as myself. And he planted a ton of plants in the backyard. Most of them were fruit plants that I uprooted. But then he also had a lot of aloe plants. And I figured, hey, why not bring it into the house? Because one of my English ivy plants didn't really do well, and I actually just put that in the backyard. So I'm gonna just go to the back and hey, well, and you? And it'll just be an indoor house plant. So I'm gonna get it, clean it up a little bit, pot it, and take it on the inside. You get to be a part of it. Let's go. Here is the start of the aloe. You have it right here, nice big one. You have it right there. Of course, we are in Central Florida, so we have, you know, various forms of aloe. You have a nice one there. It's a nice, beautiful one. And then you have some nice small ones. And I'm gonna pick one of these small ones to take on the inside, so we can enjoy it on the inside of our home. But yes, I will be taking. Let's see. I'll take this one. This one looks small enough but big enough to bring on the inside of our home and to be able to enjoy it. So I'm gonna just give it a little wiggle to see how firm it is down there. It's actually not that bad. It's a nice pull up. There you have it. So I'm gonna wash it off. Here are the roots to it. I'm gonna take it, rinse it off with the water hose, and put it in my pot. Let's go do it. All right, so I have washed the aloe in the water, and behind you can see the water hose. And what I recommend is when you water your plants, rinse off the aloe, or just anytime you use water and dealing with your plants, do it over the dirt. Do it over a surface that could benefit from the water itself. So for example, no need of doing it over the concrete. Do it over the dirt. Let the dirt benefit from the running water, and you get a 2-for-1 deal. You get to do what you're trying to do, which is clean off your aloe, and then you also get to water your plants and all that good stuff as well. So for this one, I'm going to use some banana peels that I had on the inside of our home to help enrich the soil as I lay down this aloe plant on the inside. So I'm gonna just put some dirt in my pot first. Always have dirt around. If you're part of the Green Thumb family, you know why. You can never have enough dirt around the house, in the garage, wherever you choose to put it. All right, so I just have some banana peels right here. I'm gonna take them, I'm gonna cut them, making sure it's not too thick or anything like that. I'm gonna just do layers of banana peels. Make sure I don't cut myself. I'm gonna just sprinkle on the inside. And look, I'll show you what it looks like. Just a little sprinkle on the inside. Nothing major, but yet it's enough and effective. So now I'll put some more dirt. And then I'll put some more banana peels. Of course, these peels being closer to the plant roots themselves. So I'm just making sure, the soil is nice and rich. In which, I also use banana peels in my compost. So many things you could do with banana peels when it comes to gardening, planting, both indoors and outdoors. So never waste banana peels again. That's what I would recommend. All right, sprinkle those in there. I feel like a chef for a little bit. know that doesn't last long. Alright, show you what that looks like. Boom. Banana peels in. More dirt. So the idea was to have dirt, banana peel layer, thicker layer of dirt, banana peels, dirt. And now for the aloe. Just put it in there how I want it to be, how I want it to sit, which is perfectly like this. So now, you just and it's as simple as that, friends. There it is. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, go ahead and check out the other videos that you see and subscribe. Please. Thank you for joining the fam. Until next time, keep thumbing Green Thumb Group.